Okay. Go ahead. Okay. Here is the place called the Last Bath. And over here, or the small compound here, we call the Ancestral River Park. In the ancient days, there's a big trees or huge trees over here. So though they capture them from northern parts or the down of northern region, Ashanti part, Dentra, including Assin here, you see, they spent 4 good months on the road, about 400 miles. Some of them got bushy hair, skin diseases, and excuse me, the ladies of them also got their menses because of the chains or the shackles. There's nothing for them to do. And a lot of them also died on the road. Some of them were attacked by wild animals. Some of them slept on poisonous stone. Some of them, because of the anger, taste, the weakness of the shackles, a lot of them died on the road. So anytime they brought them here, here is the last place for them. And from here, they are going to the last market. So anytime they brought them here, the merchants will divide them into 2. The weakest ones and then the strongest ones. The weakest ones, they kill them here and throw them the back of this bamboo. So we call them bamboo cemetery. And after about 25 to 30 years ago, there's a big train there. We call that train Onina train. So the strongest ones, the merchants will tell them to circle it 7 times. So after circle it, you can't remember where you came from or where you come from, even the color you have. And then from there, it's time for them to wash them or shave them and wash them. But during that time too, there's nothing we used to shave, like the blade or the scissors or even the sponge we used to wash ourselves. But no matter what it is, you are going to be shaved and wash you and dry you up for the mercy of the sun to get dry before they take you to the market. So after dividing them into 2, you see, if you look down there, the river here, there are 2. One is called Ochi River and one also called the Slave River. And anytime you go to the Jamaica, there's a river there, the people there call that river Ochi Res. And this is the main Ochi River.
Oh, the Don River.
Yeah. Why? Because you see the river over there is bigger than this one. So instead of the merchants to wash them there, they said no. That river is bigger than this one. So if they are going to wash them there, we cannot get total control on them. That's the first point. Secondly, because of the rocks, maybe they can fall down. Thirdly, some of them are good in swimming, maybe they can escape. And then the last point, that river is very cold and short. So they will wash them here, and from here, if you complain you are feeling tasty, they will escort you and then drink from there. So over there, they use the empty bottles of snaps to hit either the rocks or the circles they use to chain them after broken into pieces or breaking into pieces. The sharp ones, they used to save those who bushy hair, their beard and then their pelvic parts. And then from there, they pluck some of the bamboo leaves. It's very rough and itchy. Consider as a sponge and push them inside that small river. And mix the bamboo leaves of the river sand to wash them seriously. And from there, they remove them from the river and put some oil or cebeta on them and tie them here for the mercy of the sun to get dry before they take them to the market. So the people in this community, some of them consider that river as a clean or good, and this is bad or unclean river. So some of them take that one as a drinking water, but this one they did it. And you see the river over here converge or flows together. So anytime you fetch from there, only God knows either you fetch the clean or the unclean river. So this is where they wash the captive or the slave. Thank you very much. And after here, if you want to go down there, you can go before you get back to the market.
No.